Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Riarnani with NPM 19110400182. I am from H class and I'm in 6th semester. Okay, in this occasion, I would like to present my research proposal with title An Analysis of Onomatopoeia in Illicit Comic by Jehoson and Zena. Okay, without further ado, let's start the presentation. Oh, the first title confirmation. I do a research about an analysis of onomatopoeia in Illicit Comic by Jehoson and Zena. Onomatopoeia, according to Dove, is a form of sound that, named by its object, that imitates the natural sound in producing. Meanwhile, Illicit comic or Illicit is a Korean comic written by Son Jeho or Jehoson and illustrated by Zena. Illicit comic is mainly about action and fantasy. Illicit comic published on Never Webtoon in Korea. Meanwhile, in English, it is published in Webtoon. Jiwoo and Kaiden are the central characters in this comic. According to Gavikan and Tomasevic, comic is a medium of literature that integrates picture and words and arrange them cumulatively to tell a story or convey information which can be humorous, mysterious, etc. Comics can be used as literary media in which there are various images and words and arrange them to tell information which can be in various genres of story. Okay, the next is background of the problem. With issue, many people know or are not familiar with the word onomatopoeia, but many cannot identify it. This reasoning is correlated with the theory cited by Braidens. There is less anonymity, however, and more difficulty when attempts are made to define onomatopoeia. Therefore, researchers are interested in investigating solutions to these problems. There are still many people who rarely learn the word onomatopoeia, rarely heard the word onomatopoeia, don't understand the types of onomatopoeia, then don't know the meaning of the word onomatopoeia. In the study, the researcher will use comic to find the onomatopoeia words. Based on the explanation above, the researcher is interested to observe and to find out the types of onomatopoeia, lexical and the contextual meaning of onomatopoeia word in Illicit Comics entitled An Analysis of Onomatopoeia in Illicit Comic by Jehoson and Zena. Okay, next is problem identification and problem limitation. Problem identification. Number 1, students have difficulty to differentiate the types of onomatopoeia. Number 2, students have difficulty to getting the meaning of onomatopoeia word. Problem limitation. In this research, with title An Analysis of Onomatopoeia in Illicit Comic by Jehoson and Zena, the researchers focus on analyzing the onomatopoeia words, types, and their meaning of onomatopoeia in Illicit Comic, episode 1 until 10. The researchers using Braidens' theory to divide the types of onomatopoeia words, which divide into 3 parts: direct onomatopoeia, associative onomatopoeia, and exemplary onomatopoeia. The researchers using contextual meaning and lexical meaning to describe the meaning of the onomatopoeia words that found in the comic. Problem formulation. The problem formulation are: number one, what types of onomatopoeia the author used in Illustrated comic, and the second, what are the contextual and lexical meanings of those onomatopoeia words. And then the next objective of the research, based on the problem formulation above, the objectives of the study as follows. Number one, to find out what types of onomatopoeia the author used in Roxette comic. Number two, to find out what are the contextual and lexical meanings of those onomatopoeia words. Next, significance of the research. The researchers really hopes that the study on onomatopoeia has some benefits to the researchers herself and to the readers in general. It is expected to have theoretical and practical significances. Number one, theoretical significances. The result of this study is intended to enhance our understanding about the spatial language, especially onomatopoeia. This research also expected to be one of information sources about onomatopoeia and comic. Number two, practical significance. There are three: for the researchers, for the reader, and for the other researchers. For the researchers, the result of this research will give information about the types of onomatopoeia. For the reader, this research is expected to give more beneficial information and knowledge for the readers. For the other researchers, the research expected that the result of this study can be used as reference for other researchers. This study will offer some benefits and help them in solving their problem. The researchers hope this study can be used as one of the reference in doing a research. Okay, next, really fun research. Number one, there is from Nastiti in 2019. The objective of this study were identifying the types and finding the onomatopoeic words in Walt Disney's 5 Minutes Princess Stories book, and explaining how onomatopoeic words can help the reader comprehend the stories. The writer was finding the types and meaning of onomatopoeic words. The onomatopoeia can help the readers to learn and to imagine what something happened in the stories. Nastiti's study is quite similar to the writer's study in discussing onomatopoeia types, but it is different in the object since Nastiti analyzed onomatopoeia in Walt Disney Princess storybooks, and this research analyzed onomatopoeia in Illustrated comic. Then the thing that differentiates is she does not need participant. Yeah. Okay, the next Faslani 2020 ya. Faslani 2020 entitled Onomatopoeia Analysis on Dr. Dolittle novel by Huck Lofting. The study identifying the types of onomatopoeia that used in the Dr. Dolittle novel by Huck Lofting, to analyze why onomatopoeia used in Dr. Dolittle novel by Huck Lofting, and to investigate how the author described the onomatopoeia words in his novel. Faslani's study is quite similar to the writer's study in discussing onomatopoeia types, but different in the object since Faslani analyzed onomatopoeia in Dr. Dolittle novel, and this research analyzed onomatopoeia in Illustrated comic. And the third, there is from Putri 2020, entitled Analysis of Onomatopoeia Types and Readers' Opinion to the Importance of the onomatopoeia in Doraemon comic series. This study described the types of onomatopoeia used in Doraemon comic, the comparison between lexical and contextual meaning of the onomatopoeia words, and readers' opinion to the importance of onomatopoeia. Putri's study quite similar to the writer's study in discussing onomatopoeia types, but different in the object, since Putri analyzed onomatopoeia in Doraemon comics, and this research analyzed onomatopoeia in Lexicon comic. Then the thing that differentiates is she does need a participant, and researcher in this study not use the participant. Okay, the next is research method. For research design, researchers using descriptive qualitative method for data search from 10 chapters of the Lexicon comic. For the instruments is note taking, and procedure of data collection. There are four. First, the researchers read the comics and try to comprehend the story, and then the research notes down the onomatopoeia word and 10 chapters comic that have been mentioned, and the research categories and transcribe the onomatopoeia word that were found in those comics. Finally, the research wrote the lexical contextual meaning of each onomatopoeia words that were found in those comics. For data analyzing, the researchers analyzed it by using Freudian story in order to find out the three types of onomatopoeia words after getting the data. The researchers categorize and transcribe the data and explain the lexical and contextual meaning every onomatopoeia words that were found in the lexicon comic. The next is theoretical framework. First, onomatopoeia. For definition, Dove defined onomatopoeia as a form of sound that named by its object that imitates the natural sound in producing. Onomatopoeia has different meaning in every country, particularly animal sound. Besides that, Canberra states that onomatopoeia words represent states, movements, feelings, emotion, and their expression to make the words more alive. For the types of onomatopoeia, the researchers using Freudian's theory, and there are three types of onomatopoeia according to Freudian. First, direct onomatopoeia. It is a word that is similar to the sound of an object, for example, bang, clack, and hiss. And then second, associative onomatopoeia, related to the sound associated with the object pointed to by the word. For example, cuckoo in birds, bubble, whip, scratch, splatter, cackle, cough, whisper. And the third, exemplary onomatopoeia. It is form of word that imitates a real sound based on the physical work or the quantity of the sound it represents. For example, nimble, dart, slothful, sluggish, mumble, and etc. This is types. Okay, the next is lexical and contextual meaning. Lexical meaning refers to the dictionary meaning. Onomatopoeia words have many synonyms such as chaboom and skaboom have meaning the sound of explosion. Onomatopoeia also has multi-meanings such as crack, which have some meaning as the cracking or someone is being punched. Contextual meaning is the meaning of word in particular situation and certainly in different kind of context. It might be a reason, justification, assumption, explanation, or other function of the context. The context of sound may often provide enough clues to comprehension. Onomatopoeia words are considered as symbolic language, therefore, the meaning depends on the context in which it is used. Okay, the last is comics. Not the last, the third. Kavigan and Thomas Savick arranged that comics is a medium of literature that integrates pictures and words and arranges them cumulatively to tell a story or convey information, which can be humorous, mysterious, etc. Comics can be used as literary media in which there are various images and words and arrange them to tell information, which can be in various genre of story. Okay, the next or the last, Ilexit comic. Ilexit is Korean comic written by Son Jae-ho or Jae-ho-son and illustrated by Zena. Son Jae-ho's past works include webtoon Noblesse. Noblesse is really famous at that time. And then Zena's past work includes the webtoon Girls of the Wilds, 1921 and Pet Diary. Ilexit comic is mainly about action and fantasy. It is published on Never Webtoon as well as Webtoon. Its first chapter was published in the Korean Never website on October 2nd, 2018. Ilexit is popular comic in Webtoon for 13 plus years old with rating 9.95 from 10 stars. Ilexit is currently ongoing with updates every Tuesday. Jiwoo and Kaiden are the central characters in this comic. Jiwoo is a kind-hearted young man who harnesses the lightning-quick reflexes. Kaiden is a top-tier awakener on the run who finds himself stuck in the body of Fat Fluffy Cat. The story is about the adventure of Jiwoo as he discovers a new world with people who also have abilities. After hiding his powers for most of his life, his coincidental encounter with Kaiden introduces him to a new world with different rules. However, this new world is also dangerous. Follow Jiwoo as he tries to survive and get stronger under the tutelage of Kaiden. Okay. The next is temporary outline. This is my temporary outline for the research. Yeah, like this, all. And then the last is references. I use references from Braden book, Creswell book, Dove journal, Canberra books, Liley journal, McCourt books, Ogata Hiroaki journal, and Record journal. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for your attention, and that's all about my video. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.